Hi there, Michael Eskin here with a demonstration of my abcjs-eskin-portable website builder. This is a tool that you can use to create standalone websites of tunes, and it uses the same playback engine as my ABC transcription tools. So this tool and my ABC transcription tools are not tightly coupled, but they share a common ability to play tunes with things like reverb, strummed chords, standalone mandolin and guitar tab, that sort of thing. There's full instructions available right here. Just click that button. It'll tell you exactly how to use it, but I'm going to go ahead and just walk you through the operation. So the first thing you're going to want to do is just open up one or more tune books of ABC tunes here. So I'm going to just open up the local cultist chapter tune book here. You can see there's 120 tunes. And then we can set up some settings for the website, like the title. So I'm going to call this Cultist San Diego Tunebook, and the subtitle will just be the date, so it'll be 17 June 2026, and we'll have put a footer here. It'll be copyright 2026 Cultist San Diego, and we'll put some text before all the tunes, and I'll just say these are the tunes played at the Sunday session at the House of Ireland. And then you can also put text before each tune, and then you could edit that in the website. The websites that this thing creates are completely standalone, so once you create them, you can edit them and do whatever you want with them. The next thing we're going to do is pick the style. So there's a bunch of genres here. These are basically just themes that have different colors. Like the Irish one is green, the Scottish one is blue. There's different colors here mostly. And there's some little icons and stuff, but I'm going to just leave it at traditional Irish. And then you have some choice on the display. So I'm going to just use standard notation for the first demo, but you can also create mandolin, bouzouki, standard guitar, and dadgad guitar tablature with and without the notation. We're going to go ahead and check the sounds here. So you can select what sounds you want the tunes to play. I'm going to leave this as a default of acoustic grand piano for the bass, chords, and melody. And I'm going to say apply. And you can see it gives you some feedback down here as to what's going to happen. And then we just say build and save website. And we'll go ahead and open that. And you'll see we get the title, the subtitle, the text before the tunes. Here's all the tunes. We can click on any tune. So for example, Father Kelly's, jumps to Father Kelly's. You can click on the tune to play it, click on it to pause. You can also use the normal play bar controls down here if you like. Click on here to go back to table of contents. We'll scroll down to, let's say, Farewell to Whiskey, play it. Now, if we wanted to, for example, have, let's say, mandolin tablature without the notation, and we wanted it to play with a mandolin sound, that's very easy to do. Go to Website Settings, go to Style and Display, change this to mandolin tablature without notation. We'll go to the playback and sounds. We're going to change the melody instrument. I'm going to scroll all the way down here to mandolin. It includes all of the custom instruments that are available from the ABC transcription tools. And we'll say apply, and we'll go ahead and we'll export that website. And we'll call this one mandolin instead. And we'll open that one. And you can see we get all the tunes, and we'll click on, let's say, Coleman's Cross. And now you see we get the standalone mandolin tablature here, and we can play it. And we go back up to table of contents, pick a different one, Beeswing. So very simple to do, and again, you could do this also for GDAD bouzouki, for standard tuned guitar, and for dadgad tuned guitar. So this is a completely open source tool. The source code is available for it. If you go to the instructions down on the bottom here, you can click on the GitHub link here. It'll take you right to the link that'll give you the source code if you want to play around with it, change the way it behaves. So I think this is a very useful tool. It takes advantage of my version of abcjs that has all of the extended features that I use in the ABC transcription tools. And you can bring ABC files from the transcription tools into this tool. And for the most part, it will do exactly what you expect. If you have any questions or comments, please feel free to send me a question or message on the Facebook group or on the groups.io group.